Alright, and we are back once again. This is the final episode of the Nissan Cube. We're going to be buffing and polishing and painting a few trim pieces, making it look nice and ready to find her a new home. Okay, so what we're looking to do here is make the paint job 10 times better. How? Well, let's find out. It's been 48 hours since the paint job was done, meaning the clear coat has fully cured by now. So, we're going to take 15 grit sandpaper and sand this down by hand. What we want to do is remove any debris that may have fallen on the surface. And not only that, but we're actually removing the orange peel texture from the finish, so we get a nice smooth finish when we're done buffing. And the way to do that is, again, take your 15 grit and hit the entire car with it. So you can see it's pretty smooth here, pretty orangey, peely right there. So hit it. Then we're going to proceed and hit it with 2000 and switch right up to 3000 before we cut and buff. Safe to say we're now ready to buff and polish, but before we get into that, let's get these wheels painted. This Nissan Cube came with a 16-inch alloy wheel setup, and I think they're really nice. Why are they so nice? Because they're not so common, and they're actually in really great shape. All we have to do is scuff them up, shoot some base coat, shoot some clear coat, and that wipe should really pop against the gray body. There's multiple ways to paint your wheels, but what you're really after is good adhesion, nice coverage, and a really glossy finish. And of course, don't get paint where it don't belong. And here's the results. If you do happen to get some debris on it, don't worry about it, just take some sandpaper and buff it out, it'll be just fine. We're also going to be painting this front grille here. I'm going to take some 600 grit, wet sand it, just to promote adhesion. That's the only thing I'm looking for here. After that, I'm going to shoot some base coat, same color as the body, and then shoot some clear coat. Let that dry, let that cure for a while, and then put it back eventually. I'm a firm believer of it's all in the details. So we're going to go ahead and prime and paint and clear these emblems here just to make things a little bit more interesting, adding a bit more character to this Nissan Cube, hopefully. On a side note, if you're dealing with chrome, plastic, anything like that, it's always a good idea to use an adhesion promoter, which is an alcohol-based primer, to help you out with adhesion. Seeing a red badge on a car means business, so we're going to paint the Nissan lettering red. That should at least give us 100 more horsepower. And this is what the grille and the emblem look like. Looks pretty good to me. Let's move on to buffing now. As you can kind of tell, the hood's already been done and the difference is night and day. So if you really like seeing a mirror-like finish, don't skip this step. It is very well worth it. And just like that, we're done with this Nissan Cube. And unfortunately, this video has to come to an end. But let me know in the comments below what you thought about the color combination between the black lid, the gray body, and the white wheels. And here she is one more time.